My name is Dominic Mangerere. I live in Dallas, Arlington, Texas. I'm here today for a very big function, a function that we started, which is called by the name Vision 2020. The main goal is to help our people who are back at home in terms of computers. These computers are going to schools, various schools in Casey and Yamira County. The main goal is just to have our kids doing computer classes in those schools. We want to change the lives of those people who are back at home. Those people who are less advantaged, who can get access, who cannot get access to computers. Us as a people here in diaspora, we have decided that we have to give back to the community. The only way we can give back to the community is to bring that computer that we have in our houses, a very good computer which is working, and taking it back to our schools at home so that our kids can utilize those computers. With these computers, we would have helped those students in schools to be up to date in terms of technology. There is no way we are going to leave our kids, our children back at home, way back. The country or the world is advancing in terms of technology, and we want to make sure that the children back at home, starting from schools, they are up to date. The only way we can do that is just to bring those computers that we have in our houses and take them back at home. So that's why we're here today, partnering with the community, with other leaders, to make sure that the children back at home, they are benefiting in terms of these computers that we have here today. So I want to thank everybody who's going to partner with us. This is not the end. People are welcome on board. If you feel that you want to partner with us, please come partner with us so that we can change lives back at home. There's no way we are going to change it. Technology will help us change the lives at home. The talents our kids have at home, they will only exploit it if they have information. This information, they are going to get from these computers that we are going to harvest here today. This is the start, and many more are coming. I want to thank you all. God bless you now, and the days ahead. Thank you very much.
This is a big project. I appreciate it, and congratulations to the Dallas community. I don't know Dallas in terms of what branches, but this particular branch that is sending these computers to Kisii, I give them kudos.
Where do you reside in the state?
I live in Washington, D.C. And Washington, D.C., we have done the same.
Wow.
It's going all over. And this is a noble cause for your community, for your students, and giving back to the community back in Kenya. We encourage this, and please move on and send more. These are only six computers.
Others are coming.
And others are on the way.
We already have 40.
If they bring 40, kudos to the students, and let's educate our children to match our standards of living of today. Wow. Technology is where to go, and technology is where we want. Let's make life easy. No more pencils and pens, more technology and knowledge. Let's go together.
Thank you. What do you say your name is?
My name is Dickens Odhiambo, or they call me in Facebook, or this DC Mayor. See you in Facebook, see you in everywhere. Asanteni sana. Okay.
This is Bernard Juma. Bernard Juma coming out of Suberland, and I'm here on the Gusii Vision 2020, whereby they're trying to get together and get computers to bring back to the county of Gusii. I would wish them all the best. We want to all get together, all Kenyans, and put this together so that we can help the people in our country. We need to look at our country strongly today and improve, develop it so that we can always go back home. Okay? Thank you.
Okay, my name is Celestine Aura Miranda. I just want to thank God because of this time that He has given us. We have gathered here because of the computer harvesting project that is going on. I know these computers are very important, especially back home in Africa. We know there are people there who don't have computers to use. And I know this is a good project, and I believe it's going to help many people out there. As we continue to donate, I pray that it works out and many donors will come and sponsor the project, and I know that God is going to bless them. Thank you.
Where do you come from?
I come from Kenya, from Kisii. I'm married in Kisii land, and I came to minister in Maryland. We had a conference, World Mission International Worship Center conference, and I came to Texas, and I'm in Texas for a little while, and then I'll be back home.
Oh, so after this you'll go home?
Not now, but later I'll go back home because we came to minister. I am a gospel artist.
Okay.
I sing, and I have some concerts around, and I'm trusting God that these concerts are going to bless people. Yeah.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, EGR, for giving us this opportunity. My name is Vincent Tongi, and I'm here to support the Computer Harvest 2015. We're here with leaders. We have prospect leaders of this community. One of the candidates for the consulate in Dallas is here with us, Honorable Arasa Mose. Bwana Arasa Mose, how you doing?
I'm doing great, sir.
Good.
Thank you very much.
What do you think of this function tonight?
Well, this is a great vision. This is a great vision, and we support as a community 100%. And this is one of the initiatives that we look forward to uplift our community, and especially our two counties needs technological advancement. When you look at our schools and classrooms, Mr. Tong, and you're on the ground every day, you understand this. These kids need to be mentored, and there's nobody who can do this except for us. And we thank the AGR here. We thank Honorable Nyangenya Mongmanga for putting this together. And I know together, if we come, we will definitely uplift the ICT in both Kisi and Nyamira.
Wow, that's good. That's good. On top of what the aspirant candidate for consulate in Dallas, I mean, one of the things I'm very grateful is the Kisi community in the larger of DFW. We have numbers. We are in excess of close to 7,000, and if we include the kids, we are in excess of 10,000. But tonight we are planning to harvest not less than 500 computers, and in that regard, these computers will find their ways to Kisi, both Kisi and Nyamira, and we want to change one life at a time. Technology, like my good friend has just said, we need to bring innovative technology. We don't want to raise our kids the same way we were raised. We had an opportunity to see a computer when we landed in this wonderful country, and now today we want to do it back in the village, back home. Bwana Mheshimiwa Baros to be. What are other ways we need to find out to get more computers? We understand leaders from different communities are here to give this wonderful function support. Our ambassador could have been here. What other ways can we work how to make sure that we have more computers, or we make this a yearly event so we can harvest more computers, and by 2020 we could have covered at least all secondary schools and primary school an average of 5 computers. What other ways apart from doing what we are doing tonight?
Okay, that's very interesting. One thing we have to agree and understand is that development is not coming to us only through government. Development is coming to us through me and you, and through all the Kenyans, and especially the people from Kisi and Nyamira County. So one of the initiatives, apart from reaching out to corporations, I believe it's also reaching out to individual. I believe especially in the USA, at least every household has one computer that they do not use. We want to make sure that we go into these homes one by one and extract these old computers. I'm putting hold in a sense that they don't use it, but it's very usable when it gets back home in Kisi and Nyamira second and primary schools. So I believe Reach One is one of the Everybody Reach One is one of the initiatives that we have to employ, and a mechanism that I believe is going to work. And going through community organizations, events like this one here today, also going to individual churches around here. I think we can progress and get this. I commend this initiative, and one of the reasons I'm here is just to support and make sure that we further this cause. It's a very noble cause.
Thank you. Thank you, EGL, for the opportunity. We want to thank you, our friends who have come here in large numbers. You can tell the field is almost getting filled up. Kids are enjoying themselves. It's going to be a wonderful night. We believe that we can make it. the fact remains, Kisi is on the rise, Nyamira is on the rise, Busi is on the rise. Thank you, EGL, and thank you for giving us this space so we can express our feelings, our energy. I can feel the energy in this place. I can feel the energy. Otherwise, thank you so much. We'll love to see you for Nyamachoma, and thereafter we will talk more once we have harvested these computers. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you, Mr. Orina. My name is Gideon Ogoti. I come from Kisi too, and I live here in Arlington. I'm here tonight to support this noble cause of computer harvest, Vision 2020. Actually, this is a good thing to do for our kids back home because the world is moving so fast, and we need our kids, we need our children, our brothers and sisters to be informed of what's going on. Myself, back home, I did IT, and it's a passion. I knew it when I was in the business. I knew how crucial it is because I used to see people coming there. They need to browse, they need to send loved ones messages, but they can't be able to do it because they don't have access to the computers. What I would like to encourage the entire community is something like this starts with a few people, not poor people. We call them pioneers, and it might take time for us to reach the entire community network and for everybody to understand what's the importance of this. But I'm very sure if we join hands together as a community, we can be able to achieve this, and we can harvest as many computers as we can so that we can make an impact, we can make a change back home. Actually, we're here fully to support this, and thank you so much, AGR. Thank you, everybody who participated in making this thing a success tonight.
I came here to stand with Vision 2020 to make sure that our kids back at home, they get this computer so that they can be updated in terms of technology. So we are here to stand with the community, stand with our children back at home by giving back those computers that we have in our houses, and we want to put them into use. So here we are with the Vision 2020, and I want to wish everybody the best. As we go home, take these computers, we want to make sure that they're being used in the way they're supposed to, so that our kids can benefit. Otherwise, I want to thank everybody who is standing with the Vision 2020. Thank you very much. See you in Kenya.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is the day that everybody has been waiting for, a day that everybody has been always dreaming about, on us meeting at this ground to talk about the Vision 2020 with our own brothers from Kenya and the diaspora, trying to make a difference from where we come from. Today we are here with a lot of people, community leaders, gospel leaders, and everybody, little kids, they're here, they're trying to celebrate. They're all in one accord and saying that we have to go home and things have to change back home. And the way to change things is for us to give ourselves out to the community. And the better way of giving back to the community is what we've started here with the Vision 2020. Today, more than 100 computers will be given out to different places on different parts of Gusi land, and this is what we want everybody to be looking at and everybody to be talking about and think about the future of our kids. I can tell you and attest to you that today a little kid in a small village back in Kisi will be able to have an access to a mouse, will be able to have an access to a laptop, will be able to know what a computer looks like. At the end of the day, we will need to nurture the talents of our kids who are growing up so that they can be able to know how to move forward with the generation that we have. Because we have kids maybe back at home who don't know how to move with the generation that the rest of the world is moving. That's why Vision 2020 is bringing you this information and this event live and saying we have to make it, and it has to be for Kenyans and for everybody who is willing to be a friend of Kenya. So today, I want to thank each and every one of you for coming to this place. It looks very good, very calm, the climate looking good, and we hope that this is likely creating a very big impact and a great scenario back home. And we hope that the way we are doing it is not gonna be used for politicians or other people who are trying to do things just to please others in a different way. But we want to make sure that whatever we do is helpful to the small kid who has never been accessible to the computer. So guys, thank you and keep on. We'll be there. Vision 2020 is alive and kicking. Thank you.